Checking it out, baby. Just checking everything out. This is the bathroom. Very cute. Wardrobe. Whee! The wet room. Okay. It's our humble abode. There's outside. Nice balcony. There we go, baby. Yeah, you're looking everywhere. Looking everywhere, Bubba. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Got a little fridge here. Oh, it has a kettle. Great. 2 waters in the fridge. It's not extremely new, but it's good. Always keep this open. Okay, here's the bed. Things on the floor. There. A picture. Frosted glass. And everything looks pretty sound. Yeah. Oh, it's a cupboard we can't open. Nice big sink, wardrobe. Oh, drying thing. What's this? Baby. Yeah. Right. No major damage, just scuffs here and there. Page on the bed. 2 chairs. That's everything. Okay, baby. We did room check. Is that good? Is that good? Are you looking for somewhere to go? Are you looking for somewhere? What is it? Where is it? Where is it, baby?